PC gaming is fun way to de-stress after a long working day, connect with your friends online, and playing game is really enjoyable. But to get the full enjoyable experience, you'll need to pick up some of the best gaming accessories, and that includes some sick RGB lights that will light up your room and transform your gaming experience. So in this video, we're going to show you 13 cheap RGB PC accessories that are worth buying. Transform your computer gaming desk setup 2021. The 11th gadget is very cool, and you definitely want to stick around to find out what it is, so make sure to stick around till the end. You'll definitely find something interesting here. All the links to the products are given in the description box. If you've never considered an Aukey XXL Mousepad to use with your PC, you're missing out. It comes with a soft cloth surface with a rubber base that ensures accurate, precise mouse control and consistent stability on your desk. This mousepad covers the area for a full-size keyboard and mouse, providing a huge space of the room for gaming or office work. Not only does it give you a big surface to move your mouse around freely, but it also adds some additional protection to your desk. Keep dirt and spills at bay and simply toss it in the washing machine to spruce it up. Wireless keyboards don't have to cost the earth, and this one has a full-size layout, great battery life, media functions, and a thin profile. It uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, provides fast and stable data transmission with no delay or dropouts. Plug and play, no driver or software required, working accurately within an effective range of 26 feet. It's also splash-proof, so won't die under an accidental coffee spill, and comes with an included wireless mouse. 2-in-1 nano receiver easily connects the keyboard and mouse as soon as you plug the receiver into the USB port. Microfibers are very useful for keeping your PC or laptop displays clean and are essential to keep in your desk drawer or laptop bag. Each pack of MagicFiber comes in its own poly bag. It comes with 6 MagicFiber microfiber cleaning. No one likes looking at a grubby screen covered in fingerprints or dust, so wipe it all away. It can be used on any delicate surface like smartphones, LCD TV screens, and other touchscreens. Camera lenses and filters and many more. You can store perfectly flat in your tablet's case. Whether you're a gamer or not, this is a very popular gaming mouse at an affordable price. It's ambidextrous and has a tough braided cable, a super responsive sensor, and 5-year warranty and tank-like build quality. This mouse has RGB lighting, but if you're in the office, you can turn it off and want to be a little more discreet. You'll feel very comfortable once in your hand. Mouse's special coating will offer a better grip. The mouse is customizable from 500 to 7000 dpi. You'll easily find a very suitable sensitivity. This Ikea cable management kit is very useful in order to clean your gaming setup. The Ikea Fixa cable management system is designed to attractively and effectively organize the cables in your home. With nails, adhesive, and Velcro, it's ideal for wrangling that spider's web of cabling under your desk. A small setup is a happy setup. Now no more garbages, ties, and rubber bands. Always clean your PC because dust is not your PC's friend, so you should always keep some compressed air on hand to blow out the dust. It's also very useful for cleaning keyboards, computer mice, cups, and workstations. It'll get into all the places your fingers can't and help you keep your system not only looking fresh, but breathing easy. If you're using a wired mouse, you should need to use a mouse bungee to keep your cable tidy and free from snagging on your PC desk or anything on your desk. Mouse bungee drag-free cord cable control up to 3.2 mm. Mouse bungee features space saving to organize and manage cords and cables. You get a rust-resistant spring and a weighted base to stop it from sliding around. Mouse bungee is a perfect accessory for gaming or office use. Whether on a laptop or desktop PC, you always need more ports to connect things to. Anker Hub gives you an additional 4 USB 3.0 Type A ports to use on your PC or laptop without the need for an external power source. You can transform one of your laptops or PC 1 USB ports into 4 with this Anker USB hub. Use the USB hub to sync data at fast speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, fast enough to transfer an HD video in seconds. Hub small enough to drop in your laptop bag, to use whenever, wherever. It comes with a welcome guide, Anker 4-port USB 3.0 hub, worry-free 18-month warranty, cable tie, and friendly customer service. These neat little speakers may only pack 2.4 watts, 1.2 watts per speaker, or total power, but for something so small, you get a well-rounded sound and a stylish design. Very simple plug-and-play setup, no drivers needed, and inline volume control for easily adjusting the volume. It's brushed silver metal finish and blue LED accent lights to provide a sleek and modern look. It weighs just 1.4 pounds. If you're looking for one of the best gaming accessories, a headset and SteelSeries Arctis Pro is one of the best gaming headsets. The headset provides genuine high-resolution audio output and can blend and mix multiple sound sources on the fly for convenient streaming. The microphone delivers studio-quality voice clarity with background noise cancellation. The headset has revolutionary silicone side grips for increased grip and durability. It also works beyond the desktop, making it one of the best gaming PC accessories. Without power, there are no monitors, no PC, nothing. It's very important to take good care of your accessories and equipment, and you should always hook up your PC and monitor to a surge protector. This one from Belkin has 12 outlets, an 8-foot cord, and more importantly, the peace of mind offered by a lifetime warranty and a $300,000 connected equipment warranty. It's known as a safeguard of computers, home theater, appliances, and office equipment from potentially damaging power surges. Nzxt Puck is a clever little accessory. It has powerful magnets on the rear to make it stick on your PC case only on metal panels. You can not only hang your favorite VR headset or even a gaming headset from it, but also wind the cables out of sight. The gadget is made of non-conductive and hazardous-free silicone. The gadget can be cleaned very easily and is made to last through years of use. Its unique design and powerful magnets offer you to use each piece separately as a mount. Samson Go Mic might look like a small microphone, but it produces big amazing sound quality. The build quality is first rate, and the best part is that they are plug-and-play Mac and PC compatible, driver-free, and it has switchable pickup patterns for different situations. Samson makes excellent USB microphones. The gadget is very ideal for iChat, VoIP, voice recognition software, and webcasting. The Go Mic is perfect to use with a laptop, portable solution for recording music, voice chats, podcasting, and a spot of on-the-go recording. Which one do you prefer? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.